Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Trezor Safe 5. First, carefully unbox your new device and connect it to your computer using the included USB-C cable. Next, open your web browser and go to the official Trezor website to download the Trezor Suite application. Make sure you download the correct version for your operating system. Once downloaded, install the software and then launch the Trezor Suite to start the guided setup. Now, with Trezor Suite open, you'll be guided through installing the latest firmware onto your Trezor Safe 5. This is a crucial step for security and functionality. After the firmware update, you'll choose to either create a brand new wallet or recover an existing one. Then, you'll set a strong PIN for your device. Remember, a PIN of at least 8 digits offers excellent protection, so choose wisely. The next critical step is to generate and carefully write down your recovery seed phrase. This will be either 12 words or 24 words. Use the provided recovery card and double-check each word. Trezor Suite will then ask you to verify this phrase by re-entering some of the words. Once confirmed, store your recovery seed phrase in a very secure, private place, completely separate from your Trezor Safe 5 device. To finalize your setup, complete any remaining steps in Trezor Suite, like giving your device a unique name. This helps you easily identify it if you have multiple devices. Now you're ready to explore all the features of Trezor Suite, from managing various cryptocurrencies to making secure transactions. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.